Yoshida Garcia Boy Roman, and I'm here again this week with another video. And I'll be talking about the top 5 reasons why being a teacher sucks during quarantine. Number 1, a lot of damn messages. Et ça me casse vraiment les couilles. So, you guys, so basically I'm getting messages, emails every day from Guata and Gauche. From the fac, I'm getting messages from students. And I'm sometimes getting calls related to my job. It's like, bonjour, Monsieur Elliston. Oui, bonjour. Oui, donc, est-ce que vous êtes disponible actuellement? Parce que, actuellement, je suis dans un cours. Puis on est sur Zoom, quoi. Ouais, j'ai une question, c'est pas long, t'inquiète pas.
20 minutes later.
Merci beaucoup et bonjour à vous aussi. Au revoir. Number 2, it is difficult to communicate with students. When I say difficult, I mean it is darn difficult. For example, I usually work on a Friday because of various reasons I could not make it out of my class, so I said, hey, I'm going to change this class. So I messaged students and I'm like, hey students, I won't be able to do this day, so which day would you guys be free? Nobody responded. So you know what I did? I messaged the fac and I'm like, hey, could you guys make these changes to my timetable? And it was going nowhere. Then eventually, someone responds when he's like, yo, okay then, so I've done that, I've fast that and I've fast that, so you have your class on Thursday. So I was like, okay, cool, that's no problem, so my class is on Thursday. So I edited my mono post and I'm like, okay, we're gonna have class on Thursday at this time. But then no one responded. How would you believe that someone had the audacity to message me Thursday night to say, oh monsieur, je ne peux pas assister votre cours parce que... What? Here it is that sometimes it's hard to even make certain changes or even modify my course because students just generally don't respond. Or you find some students ask me if I can't change the class from this day to that day, but I'm like,
really, nigga?
Number 3, and this one vraiment ça m'énerve quoi. So to all of my students who y'all are watching this, I love y'all, je vous aime vraiment. Vous êtes la raison pour laquelle je vis, okay? Okay, so I'll be having a lot of Zoom calls or meetings and this is what happens. Anyone else who has not presented? Anyone else? So, est-ce qu'il y a quelqu'un d'autre qui n'a pas présenté? So basically with online classes, virtual classes is quite difficult because there's not a lot of interaction or vibration from the students because they're quiet, their mics are mute, perhaps they've gone to sleep, perhaps they've just left their computer running for the duration of the class and it's really crazy. And I'm there like... Number 4, excuses for being absent. Oh désolé monsieur, mais je vais pas assister vos cours parce que j'ai cassé les couilles. So you guys basically see what's happening. It's crazy. And while I have nothing against reasons, I'm not saying they're not legitimate, but it's weird that if you had classes in person, you would have been there. But just because you don't have classes in person, it's like you could do n'importe quoi. It doesn't matter. Class is important. Yeah, you might be saying, oh, it's easy on the teacher because you don't do anything now. I have to stay at that Zoom call and wait till the time is over. And you know what m'est arrivé une fois? I was there waiting until 11 and I was there just like... I waited for like a damn hour and no students appeared. Do you know how fun that is? And number 5, which is simply the worst damn worst part about being a teacher during quarantine or in quarantine. It is that we have more work and we're not being paid for the more work. So what you find is that because we are not face-to-face, we have to give students more written tasks. And there are some students who just don't read the instructions. C'est franchement difficile, c'est franchement... Je comprends pas du tout. But the thing is that we have so much more work because it's all emails, and every time you have to read your email, if you don't read your email before a class, something might just be off and you're like, oh my god, I woke up for nothing, you know? So while in general being teacher is fun, during quarantine it really sucks. So basically those are my 5 reasons guys for why it sucks being a teacher in quarantine because the workload is quite a lot, it is enormement beaucoup. And we aren't paid more for that, so that's it. Alright guys, so those are my 5 reasons why it sucks being a teacher during quarantine. But It is also cool being a teacher during quarantine. If you guys would like to see some of the advantages of being a teacher during quarantine, just simply leave it down in the comments below and I will do a video about that. But with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscription button somewhere. Tap the notification bell so you can always be notified when I make an upload. Yeah, c'est tout. Merci beaucoup, au revoir and ciao ciao.